The current landscape of work and success looks different from the past. It won't be the marketers who specialize in one platform, or the developers who master a single programming language, or even the designers who focus solely on aesthetics. The real winners will be AI generalists, people who can navigate and combine multiple AI skills across different fields. Why is that, you say? It is because AI is moving fast. It's not just automating routine tasks anymore, it's catching up to and surpassing specialists in areas like law, medicine, sales, and software development. If you stick to just one narrow skill, you risk becoming obsolete. But if you learn to harness AI broadly, you multiply your value. You become adaptable, and adaptability is survival. In this video, I'm going to break down a few essential AI skills that anyone can learn. Skills that will make you unstoppable in the coming years. These are practical, actionable skills, not theory. Now, there's a lot of fear around AI replacing jobs outright. That fear isn't baseless. Yes, some roles will disappear, but here's the other side. AI is also creating new opportunities that didn't exist before. For example, new roles in AI oversight, data ethics, AI-enhanced creative jobs, and hybrid positions that combine domain expertise with AI skills. The key to thriving is not to resist AI, but to adapt. Upskilling is essential, learning how to work alongside AI, not against it. Flexibility means being open to changing your role or industry if needed. And AI literacy means understanding the tools and potentials of AI so you can leverage them rather than be replaced by them. When we talk about AI generalists, we're looking at people who don't just focus deeply on one specialized skill, but instead master a broad set of capabilities, all strengthened and accelerated by AI tools. These generalists can operate across multiple domains, achieving about 80% of what a specialist can do in each area, but in a fraction of the time. Think about it this way. Instead of spending years honing a single craft, an AI generalist leverages tools that let them learn and perform multiple specialist tasks quickly. For example, generating stunning artwork using AI image generators like Midjourney, or building software applications through no-code AI app builders, or writing compelling, polished content using advanced language models. These are just a few examples of the kinds of strengths an AI generalist can command. The speed advantage here is huge. Skills that traditionally took years of study or practice can now be picked up and applied in weeks or even days. That's what makes the AI generalist so unique and valuable. To thrive as an AI generalist in 2025, there are 4 core strengths you need to master. These aren't just random skills or buzzwords. They form the foundation of how you will interact with AI, how you'll leverage it to multiply your effectiveness, and how you'll stay ahead in an increasingly automated world. The first fundamental strength is the ability to build with creating software and tools. This means more than just coding. It's about using AI to develop software, apps, and tools that solve real problems. Whether you're writing custom scripts, developing AI-strengthened applications, or integrating APIs, this skill lets you shape AI's capabilities to your exact needs. You don't have to be a hardcore developer, but you have to understand how to design and assemble AI-strengthened solutions that work. This ability separates passive users from active creators. The second fundamental strength is automation with creating AI agents and workflow automation. It's one thing to manually use AI tools, but a true generalist automates workflows and builds AI agents that act autonomously. This could mean setting up bots that handle customer inquiries, automating data processing, or chaining multiple AI tools together to handle complex tasks automatically. Mastering automation saves you time and allows you to scale your output without scaling your effort. The smarter your automation, the more you can focus on high-level thinking. The third fundamental strength is creation with generating with creating A1 content. AI art, writing, video, music, you name it. The ability to generate polished, professional-grade content using AI tools like Midjourney for images or Runway for video editing is massively valuable. Content is currency online, and AI lets you produce more faster without sacrificing quality. But it's not just quantity. It's about mastering the tools and techniques so your output stands out, feels authentic, and connects with your audience. And the last fundamental strength is connection with building an audience and becoming an influence. No matter how great your AI creations or automations are, they won't matter if you can't reach people. This strength is about using AI to build influence, growing your audience, engaging communities, and communicating effectively. It includes AI-enhanced writing for social media, email, and video scripts, but also understanding how to use AI insights to target and nurture relationships. Influence is the multiplier that turns skills into opportunities. Mastering these four strengths, build, automate, create, and connect, is not optional but rather a requirement. They form the toolkit every AI generalist needs to not just survive, but thrive in the new landscape. These strengths overlap and feed into each other. Build enables automation. Create fuels connection. Connect gives feedback that informs what you build next. Together, they form a cycle of continuous growth and adaptation. Software is the backbone of almost everything digital today. It strengthens websites, apps, tools, and services we rely on every day. Traditionally, building software required a specific skill set, knowing how to code, understanding software architecture, and often hiring expensive developers. This barrier has kept many people from creating their own digital tools or businesses. But AI is changing that landscape dramatically. Today, AI-assisted app builders like Bolt and Replit Agent let you build software without writing a single line of code. These platforms use AI to handle the technical heavy lifting while you focus on designing the tool's purpose and user experience. The key features that make these platforms effective include AI strength shortcuts, automated testing, and instant deployment. You can preview your tool live as you build it, tweak things on the fly, and launch without a complicated release process. What's happening here is more than just convenience. The tools themselves are evolving at supersonic speed. Each iteration includes smarter AI assistants that anticipate what you want to build and offer solutions before you even ask. This means individuals can now build entire AI-driven businesses independently. If you want to thrive in 2025 and beyond, mastering AI-assisted no-code app development is a must. It's about knowing how to leverage these tools to quickly prototype, iterate, and launch software that solves real problems. This skill separates those who can create value using AI from those who only consume AI-strengthened products. In sum, building software is no longer an elite skill. It's becoming a foundational AI strength that anyone can learn and apply. Start by exploring these AI app builders, understand their core capabilities, and practice building small tools. This is how you'll unlock new opportunities and stake your claim in the AI-driven future. Automating workflows are key to running a good, steady business. Repetitive tasks are a drain. Things like emails, scheduling meetings, managing social media posts, and updating spreadsheets eat up hours every day. Traditionally, to deal with these, we hired more people, bought software, or invested in hardware, what I call traditional leverage. You put in capital or labor to reduce the burden of repetitive work. But now, AI agents are emerging as a new form of leverage. Think of them as digital workers that never sleep, never get tired, and don't need breaks. These AI-strengthened agents can handle routine tasks around the clock, at a fraction of the cost of human labor. They combine the strengths of labor and code leverage into one. The benefits are clear. You get cost-effective 24/7 operation without the overhead of managing additional employees or infrastructure. These AI agents can connect different apps and services, making your workflows smoother and faster. To make this happen, for it to run effectively, you need to master a set of practical skills. Creating AI agents without writing traditional code using tools like GPTs and Relevance AI. These platforms let you build smart assistants that understand and act on your instructions. Another skill is automating workflows with no-code platforms such as Zapier, Make.com, and N8N. These let you link your apps and trigger actions automatically. Next, prompt engineering, which means crafting the right inputs for AI models to get precise, reliable outputs. Tools like Prometheus help refine this skill. And last but not least, working with APIs using tools like Postman. APIs are how different software systems talk to each other, and knowing how to integrate them is crucial for advanced automation. An important strength is creating professional-grade content. Content is the lifeblood of modern business. Whether it's eye-catching design, compelling videos, original music, or clear writing, companies constantly need high-quality content to stand out. Traditionally, meeting these demands meant either learning complex software tools that take months or years to master, or hiring freelancers and agencies that charge premium rates and often deliver on unpredictable timelines. That model is breaking down fast. This model is putting professional-grade content creation into the hands of anyone willing to learn a few key skills. Tools like Midjourney will allow you to generate logos and images simply by describing what you want. No Photoshop or Illustrator expertise required. Runway AI makes video production and editing accessible, enabling you to create polished clips with minimal effort. These tools are evolving rapidly, constantly improving their capabilities and making quality content creation faster and cheaper. To leverage these opportunities, the skills you need boil down to two things. First, AI content generation, knowing how to prompt and guide AI tools to produce exactly what you want. Second, AI editing and enhancement, being able to refine and polish AI-generated content so it meets professional standards. Mastering these skills means you can create across multiple content types without bottlenecks. Instead of being limited by your technical ability or budget, you scale your output and quality simultaneously. And since these AI creative tools keep improving, the threshold to produce top-tier content will only get lower, making this strength an essential part of thriving in 2025 and beyond. The last and final strength is connecting and building an audience. If you want to survive and thrive in 2025, personal branding isn't optional anymore. It's an unwritten requirement. For a long time, building a strong audience was something only naturally gifted communicators could do. The ability to write clearly, share ideas in a compelling way, and connect with people was almost like a talent you either had or didn't. But writing is only part of the story. The real strength comes from combining AI-enhanced writing with automation skills. This means repurposing your content across platforms, scheduling posts, and amplifying your reach without burning out. Automation lets you multiply your influence and maintain consistent engagement with your audience. If you want to separate yourself from the pack, mastering AI-assisted writing is a must. It's not just about creating content, it's about building a genuine following. Because in the AI-driven future, connecting authentically with people and having a loyal audience will be what sustains your career and opens doors. In 2025 and beyond, being able to set up and manage these AI workflows will have a leg up in the competition. Those who can harness AI to automate mundane tasks free themselves to focus on higher value work. It's a multiplier for productivity and scalability. Leave a comment if you found this video intriguing and/or helpful. Let's start a discussion down below on some things that you want us to cover for future video topics. Thank you for watching and see you next time.